In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two calendars in Google Calendar. If you've ever felt the hassle of juggling multiple calendars and missing events because they're scattered across different accounts, this guide is here to simplify your scheduling life. Merging calendars in Google Calendar is quite straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be managing your time with seamless efficiency. First, open up Google Calendar and navigate to the gear icon located at the top right corner of the interface. Clicking on this will unfold a drop-down menu where you'll choose Settings. This is where you can access the options necessary for merging your calendars. Once in the Settings menu, look to the left-hand side and find Import and Export. Selecting this menu item will enable the options required for exporting your calendar information. Next, under the Export section, you'll see an option labeled Export. Click on this and a zip file will automatically download to your computer. What's in this zip file? Well, it contains the ICS files for each of your calendars. These files are the main ingredient for merging. Once you've downloaded the file, go ahead and open it, then extract the individual ICS files. This gives you access to the event data from your initial calendar, ready to be transferred to your other calendar. Now proceed over to your second calendar. Just as we did before, click on the gear icon again and select Settings. Then return to the Import and Export section on the menu. Here we'll be focusing on the import part. Click on the button labeled Select File from your computer. It's time to choose the ICS file that you just extracted from your downloaded zip file. Once you've selected the file, you'll find a drop-down option labeled Add to Calendar. This is where you decide which calendar you want to merge the events into. Choose the desired calendar from the list, and this is where all the magic happens. After you've selected the calendar, go ahead and click on Import. Once the process is finished, all the events from your other calendar will now populate in your selected calendar. There you have it. You now have a single, unified calendar complete with events from both of your previously separate calendars. This simple yet effective process means no more back and forth between multiple calendars and missing out on important appointments or meetings. With your calendar merged, you're all set for stress-free scheduling. I hope this guide was helpful, and you can now enjoy a more organized digital planner. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.